Good morning. I am 4 minutes earlier today. So, as always, if you're watching in recording, you're welcome to fast forward or stay with us through our hellos. Good morning, Mike. Good morning, Joey. Good morning, Gina. Good morning, Judy. Good morning, Jean. Good morning, Antonia. Good morning, Sandra. All right, it is time for us to start, and we continue exploring the 7 basic identities represented by each of the main chakras in our system. Yesterday, we established that the root chakra's domain is our physical identity, and that without our connection to our body and to the physical world in general, our power is just too diffuse. Our sacral, second chakra, represents our emotional identity. There is no emotions without our physical body. It is what our physical body feels. However, even though emotions emerge from our physical identity, they bring in an added dimension. We have to feel our body in order to feel our emotions and learn to interpret their messages. And emotional identity expands the experience of the body beyond our basic needs, beyond this, I feel hungry, therefore I need food. It's raining outside, therefore I need shelter. Emotional identity gives us dimension and texture, connecting us to the very flow of the world. In her book, Eastern Body, Western Mind, Anna Judith writes, if we think of the body as a vessel for the soul and spirit, then our root chakra provides support and containment for the fluid essence of the chakra tube, much like a cup holds water. Without appropriate containment, water flows out and the cup runs dry. With excessive containment, however, water cannot flow at all and becomes stagnant and dull. Ideally, we want to have a cup that is capable of filling, holding, and emptying. The task of the first chakra is to build this containment by creating a root system. And in the second chakra, we tend to its contents. So let's do a practice around that today. Take a comfortable position, and as always, take a few moments to settle in. Scan your body and notice what's going on for you today, physically, emotionally, mentally. How are you? Allow your breath to be soft and easy. Don't try to control it. Connect with the flow of your breath, the flow of life itself that passes through your body with your inhale and exhale. Close your eyes. Connect with your sacral chakra, a little bit below the navel, visualizing a sphere of orange color emanating powerful energy from within your body as far out as you can feel. Allow this energy to take up as much space as it needs to, as it wants to. And as you hold this visual, I'll read a little story for you, which some of you may have heard already. You're holding a cup of coffee when someone comes along and bumps into you or shakes your arm, making you spill your coffee everywhere. Why did you spill the coffee? Well, because someone bumped into me. Wrong answer. You spilled the coffee because there was coffee in your cup. Had there been tea in your cup, you would have spilled tea. Whatever is inside the cup is what we will spill out. Therefore, when life comes along and shakes you, which will always happen, whatever is inside you will come out. It's easy to fake it until you get rattled. So we have to ask ourselves, what's in my cup? When life gets tough, what spills over? Joy, gratefulness, peace, and humility, anger, bitterness, harsh words, reactions. Life provides the cup. Your sacral chakra is the cup. And you choose how to fill it with your emotions. So once again, connect with your sacral chakra and feel what's in your cup today. If it's filled with difficult emotions, don't worry. Don't be harsh on yourself. This is just life, right? Just remember that you have the power to do whatever you want with this cup of yours. You can empty whatever is in your cup if you don't like it, and fill it with something you do enjoy. So staying with this orange energy of your sacral chakra, let's repeat the Bija mantra for this chakra. The sound here is VAM, V-A-M, VAM. We'll do it 7 times. VAM, 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 VAM. Take a nice breath in and out. Scan your body once again and notice how you're feeling now. Was it possible for you to bring something enjoyable in this cup of your sacral chakra? As you go through your day today, play with this cup visual, and whenever you notice that your cup is filled with stuff you don't particularly like, see if instead you can empty it and fill it with gratitude, forgiveness, joy, words of affirmation, kindness, gentleness, and love for yourself and others. Enjoy this process. Thank you so much for being here today. Have a beautiful day, and I will see you tomorrow.